Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to use Agent GPT. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Now over here right now, as you can see, we are currently in agent.gpt. What you're simply going to do to access this website is go to this URL, agentgpt.reworld with a K AI. After that, you're going to simply create an account and log in into your account. And you will be able to now use Agent GPT. Now keep in mind also that this is currently in beta, so there might be some bugs or shortcomings with Agent GPT. Now over here, you could create an agent or a bot for you alone. You could add their names and put in a goal in this section. Basically, the goal is a prompt. For example, research how dogs are man's best friend, just like that. And you're simply going to add a name, dog, whatever name you would like, and you can simply deploy agent. And as you can see here, it's going to start a thought process and task process where it's going to do things and do tasks that you assign it to. It's going to create tasks on its own, as you can see here, create task, and it will achieve them and accomplish them one by one. And you're simply going to wait for the result, and you will be able to export the results in this section as an image, copy, or a PDF. You could also enable web search and pause mode over here. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.